This short video illustrates how to assemble our round coffee table. We produce 3 sizes, and this is the intermediate one and measures about 1 meter in diameter. In keeping with our Safari Duka style, the construction is a blend of steel and wood, where the emphasis is on solid, durable workmanship rather than finely crafted artistry. This item packs away neatly into a sturdy carry box and can be quickly and easily assembled using over-center latches for the steel work and quick-fit panels of wood. No nuts, bolts, screws or tools of any sort are needed. The carry box is steel reinforced and closes with a nylon strap to minimize damage to other items that might be packed alongside it. A separate video illustrates how to pack up and box the coffee table. The medium-sized coffee table has 14 components, which are strapped into the carry box by nylon webbing straps. The wooden parts and the upper steel hoop are topmost. Undo their straps and lay these items aside, including the fabric-covered foam rubber sheet. Place the lower hoop, which is identified by having no carry handles, on the ground and place a wooden leg opposite each arm of the cross. Lift the steel hoop onto the lower steel brackets of each leg one by one, making sure that the curved tang of the lower over-center latch lies between the hoop and the wooden leg. Center the cross of the steel hoop on its bracket. Closing the latch pulls the steel hoop firmly into its bracket. Do this for each leg in turn. With the bottom hoop now attached, place the wooden quadrants of the lower shelf in place as illustrated. These have a number or letter stamped at their apex, and match this with the number or letter stamped into the steel support tab at the center of the cross. The quadrants are placed with their identity marked downwards. The top steel hoop, identified by its 4 carry handles, is now attached. At the junction between the steel rod of each crossarm and the round hoop, there's a small notch. This must be located into a small steel ridge on the supporting bracket of the leg harness before tightening down with the over-center latch. The twin fangs of the upper over-center latch will straddle the cross arm and will pull the hoop down firmly into its bracket. Make sure the notch and ridge are properly mated before snapping the latch down. The final stage is to emplace the top wooden quadrants, which can be identified by a star motif carved into the top of each piece at its apex. As with the lower shelf, each quadrant has a number or letter on its underside, which must match the number or letter stamped into the steel support tab at the center of the cross. The quadrants are placed with the star motif uppermost and their identity marked downwards. The coffee table is ready.